So basically, most of the time you guys do not know how to draw a body because you guys don't know what is anatomy. So let's start with basics. Here I'm going to make 8 ball. I mean in order, so the 1-1 would be head of the character from the 2 to 4, would be the UPR body area. Without establish the head shape, using a circle and a wedge for the jaw. Draw a rough spine line to place the body. Draw an egg shape for the rib cage, with a center line and a cut at the bottom. Mark the shoulder line at the top of the rib cage. Utilize measurements and proportions to ensure realistic body length. Utilize measurements and proportions to ensure realistic body length. Head to top of rib cage equals 1/3 of upper torso. For the legs, the length from the top of the head to the bottom of the pelvis is roughly equal to the length of the lower torso. Add simple shapes for the feet. Basic shapes. Trace over the head shape. Add simplified volume to the stick figure, thinking like you're building an action figure. Use cylinder shapes for the neck. Add a slight sloping shape for the traps. Create a main torso shape with a cut below the rib cage for the chest. Include a torso joint, 353, and a flaring shape for the hips, 359. Add round ball joints for the shoulders, elbows, and hip joints. Note that female characters typically have wider hips, while male characters have wider shoulders. Draw calves that flare out and taper in. Add triangle shapes for the feet. The creator advises using references for muscles as there are no shortcuts. Draw a curved line for the neck. Locate the collar bones where they meet the sternum, drawing faint lines for neck muscle attachments and extending the collar bones to the shoulders. Wrap the deltoid muscle around the shoulder joint. For breasts, think of them as water balloons draped over the round rib cage, showing volume and drooping. Identify the thinnest point of the torso, usually around the elbow. Add volume to the thighs, with slight curves on the inside.